There's the kids on the swing. Having a good time. Jamie knows how to swing standing up. Flowers are blooming. Omar's supposed to be working. Omar, your flashlight's on your phone. There's Abdul over there. Omar just walks through, beat up all my plants. Matatizo. Omar Matatizo. He called me Matatizo all the time. Something. So Omar is supposed to be building my shade house so I can start my seedlings because I don't have enough room. I got a couple of them started here. And here, not so good. I need shade. So we got the holes dug here. There's my clothesline. There's the guys. The food gonna be gone by the time y'all get ready to eat. Okay. Alright. I gotta get rid of all these collard greens because they have seen their days. The cabbage moth got to them, so I'm gonna take those out. And here we are. So next time we will be having Sunday cookout on the veranda. Kidogo progress. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.